With the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine now FDA approved, some school districts are doubling down on plans to mandate vaccines for employees. San Antonio ISD says all teachers and staff must be vaccinated by October 15th. KXAN's education reporter Alex Capriello dug into how local educators feel about something similar coming to Austin ISD.
For Karen Blaze, a dyslexia therapist at AISD, the decision to resign in the summer of 2020 was tough. But as a mom, she said she needed to protect her kids from exposure to the coronavirus.
If I was going to keep my kids safe, I had to also keep myself safe.
However, a vaccine mandate at AISD might entice her to revisit her old position and school. Would you consider coming back to AISD if they required a vaccine mandate for all employees?
I would. I know the district needs people that have the training that I have.
Like MMR, polio, and hepatitis shots, Blaze believes the COVID vaccine should be required for everyone who's on campus. And just like those, San Antonio is providing exemptions to those with medical or religious restrictions.
When it comes to teachers, they're the first line with our kids.
Even still, some people say it's not a school district's right to make this type of demand.
It's my choice to do it, and it should be everyone else's own choice if they want to do it.
Lisa Panel has worked at the AISD Transportation Department for over a decade. She's partially vaccinated, but says a shot shouldn't be forced on anyone.
This is a virus, yes, and people are dying from it, yes. But it still should be the choice of the person to whether or not they want to have that shot done.
Panel fears that with San Antonio ISD paving the way, other districts will follow. Alex Capriello, KXAN News.
San Antonio ISD said approximately 90% of its staff has already been vaccinated. This new mandate is really meant to reach that final 10%. We reached out to all Central Texas school districts about this notion. Hayes CISD and Manor ISD say they will not require vaccines. Pflugerville ISD says it's too early to say if it will mandate vaccines, and we have not yet heard back from AISD or Round Rock ISD. Just today, New York City officials announced that all public school teachers and staff would have to get vaccinated. According to the Associated Press, about 148,000 school employees and contractors will have to get at least a first dose by September 27th. The city has not said whether there will be exemptions or what the penalty will be for refusing to comply. New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio says city leaders will talk with school unions about specifics this week. Many businesses can mandate vaccines for employees because Texas is considered an employment at-will state. So the Texas Workforce Commission says that means employers generally have the right to change the terms and conditions of employment at any time unless an employment contract or law says otherwise. The company or worker can also end the employment at any time for any reason, with certain exceptions. For example, a judge dismissed a lawsuit against Houston Methodist Hospital for mandating vaccines. The ruling said if a worker refuses an assignment or other directive, they may be fired.